my channel. So today is another cooking video with Lola. Say hi. Hi. She say hi. You say hi. Okay. So today we are going to be cooking Arabic food. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for my new subscribers, and if it's your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe. So I like to do many things. As you can see in my channel, I have so many things that I do. Cooking is one of my hobbies. I love to cook different foods in different traditions, different dishes from different countries, different things. I like Arabic food because it's so much like African food, not so different, and very tasty. She likes it when I cook because she gets to eat the small things I have, like the eggplants today she's going to be eating, and the tomatoes she likes. She likes tomatoes, eggplant, and potatoes. So guys, let us get down to the cooking. Sauce to put inside. The next ingredient here will be the sauce, which I'm about to make. As you can see, I have Maggi, I have black pepper, I have salt and tomato paste and some water. So that is how I'm going to make it. The table we have eggplant, we have tomatoes, we have potatoes, we have onion, we have meat. It is tomato paste with salt, black pepper and Maggi, and in here it's a little bit of oil that I just put in the plate so that my food wouldn't burn. So guys, let's proceed. So guys, as you can see, I'm just taking the meat and I take a small quantity, I make it flat like this, and I place it under the pot like that. As you Okay, so guys, I just place everything in the plate as you can see, and now I need to put the sauce. That's Lola licking a plate. A tomato plate, she likes tomatoes. Lola, stop that. Okay guys, sorry for the noise. So now I will have to put the sauce on top of it. So guys, as you can see, it's ready. So now I'm going to put it in the oven, of which before I started, I turn on my oven because it usually takes a little bit of time to get the real hot. So I turn it on before I started preparing the food. So now I'm just gonna start it inside for 30 minutes. And then let's watch and see. I put the fire down. I want it to get ready from down before I can pull it up, and I turn off the fire from up. So I'll put it here like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to put it up so that the top of it can get ready. So let us wait and we see. Yeah, let's wait. You can see it's good. Ah. Lola likes to look inside. Okay, so guys, now it is time to take it out. At first I change it. I take it from down to up. Now it is up, and the upper part of it is getting ready. So let's see. Wow, looks good. Ah. I love it. Everything is really ready. Oh, let me see if the potatoes are ready. Yeah, they are ready. And look at the meat. I will try. So tasty, really good. This is good. This is really good. So guys, when I usually prepare it like this, sometimes I usually make white rice. We eat it with rice. Me and Lola. See, she's hungry now. She's yawning. So, but today I didn't make rice, so we're just going to eat it like this. Yes, Lola? She's ready to eat. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you really from my heart. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being there for me. And I love you. If you didn't subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. And give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.